What caused a massive sailing ship to crash into one of New York City's most iconic landmarks? Why were crew members on the mast when disaster struck? And how did a routine training voyage end in tragedy beneath the Brooklyn Bridge? In a shocking incident Saturday night, a Mexican Navy training ship, the Cuauhtémoc, collided with the underside of the Brooklyn Bridge while carrying 277 people on board. The accident left 2 people dead and more than a dozen injured. According to New York City officials, 19 individuals were hurt, 2 of whom remain in critical condition. Mayor Eric Adams confirmed the fatalities on social media, revealing that the 2 who died had fallen from the ship's mast during the collision. They were rushed to a nearby hospital, but did not survive. The ship has since been moved to Pier 36 as authorities continue their investigation. The accident happened around 8:20 p.m., when the ship appeared to lose power while attempting a maneuver. This sudden failure caused the vessel to drift uncontrollably toward one of the bridge's support pillars. The mast struck the underside of the bridge and broke apart, with debris falling onto the deck below. Disturbing video footage captured the moment the mast shattered during the impact. Despite the dramatic scene, officials report that there is currently no visible structural damage to the Brooklyn Bridge. Traffic was briefly halted but reopened by 10:30 p.m. Inspections are still ongoing as a precaution. NYPD Chief Wilson Arambolas stated that some of the sailors injured were on the mast when it hit the bridge. The Mexican Navy later reported that a total of 22 people were injured, 19 of whom required hospital care. They added that both local and naval authorities are now reviewing the status of the crew and the ship. The Cuauhtémoc was on its annual training voyage when the accident occurred. This trip is a long-standing tradition for the Mexican Navy, typically meant to provide valuable experience, not end in disaster. As investigators from the National Transportation Safety Board continue their work, the NYPD is urging residents to avoid the Brooklyn Bridge area, South Street Seaport in Manhattan, and Dumbo in Brooklyn due to heavy traffic and an increased emergency presence. This is a developing story. Stay tuned for more updates.